SZABÓ Gear Manufacturing Ltd. Specializes in gear manufacturing, producing geared parts with heat treatment, including spur gears, straight bevel gears, helical gears, warm gears, geared axis, planetary gears, spline shafts, and gearboxes. We utilize in CNC hobbing, CNC gear grinding, gear shaping, broaching, CNC turning, CNC milling, heat treatment, and 3D CNC measuring. We supply our clients with small series production runs, including very high precision gears used for gear pumps, larger gears for larger size gear drives for the renewable energy wind industry, from larger series standardized gears for the agricultural machinery industry, larger series standardized gears used for the agricultural machinery industry. We also supply the automotive industry, mining industry, construction, and paper machinery industry. SZABÓ's reputation throughout the industry is emblematic of high precision, quality-oriented, flexible production processes. Its time-tested production of high-end gears is assured through their quality management system, ISO 9001, in conjunction with the applied ERP system. SZABÓ Gear Manufacturing Ltd. offers its customers above industry standard high-quality products that are manufactured on state-of-the-art machinery using robust processes, both in quality management and production. They provide their customers with total gearing solutions from the drawing board to the final product.
Készült Magyarország kormánya megbízásából az Európai Unió támogatásával.